Suppose you are having your breakfast today. You have so many options to select for. But the tea was not good as you expected, and you get upset, and your mood was spoiled for the day. So, have you noticed how this small thing changed your mood? And there are many small problems we more often notice, like we don't have latest mobile, we don't have our favorite clothes, not our choice brand of cosmetics. So we notice these small problems in our life more often than the good thing happening in your life. Hi, I am Smita Pradhan, and today we are going to talk. I am going to talk about gratitude. What do you see when you see our surrounding? There are people, objects around us. So, what they do in our life? They help us to enjoy our life, they serve us. So, have you noticed if the people and the objects were not there, our life could be something different? So, when you think it deeply and feel thankful and feel grateful about it, that is gratitude. And we are often stuck about some small problems every now and then. But what about those who make our life easy? What about those moments when we learn something? What about our life? We are alive today. We are experiencing our life today. So, can you imagine there are so many people who have not who did not wake up today to feel that they are alive today. There are so many people who are physically challenged. There are so many people who cannot have the basic amenities in your life. And there are some people who want someone to listen to them, someone who they can speak with. So, if you are alive and you have friends to share your thoughts, so that feeling of being alive, that feeling that we are being heard, that is gratitude. See, now again, Corona is back. When we just started living our life like normal, we are again forced to lock ourselves inside the home. But at this time, if we are having some means of continuing our life, if we are having job, so that we can feed ourselves, we can feel safe. So that feeling is being alive is gratitude. People are actually struggling for each and every breath. So the breathe which keeps us alive every moment. Have you ever noticed how important it is for us? So the breathe, the sunlight, the water, the air we are having, the food we get today, how we all are getting. Do you think you could make everything possible for you by yourself unless there is some blessings in our life? So that feeling, that blessings we receive in our daily life, that is gratitude. So we should feel thankful about it. We should feel grateful about it. So to accept the power, the blessings in our life, we can practice gratitude on daily basis so that we can feel the change happening in your life. So let me tell you how to practice gratitude daily. To practice gratitude, you can select a fixed time, maybe just after you get up or just before you sleep. You sit comfortably and then relax yourself, take a deep breath, and then start noticing all the good things happening in your life. Remember, they can be any object, any people, or your comfort, your own abilities. We are able to write, speak, communicate, think, all those small things. Are we not blessed? So, observe all the goodness in your life, appreciate them, and write it down for what all the things you are grateful. Then read it to yourself to remind that you are having those blessings in your life and you feel thankful about it. Once you feel grateful about every small thing happening in your life, which you feel good about it, then you can practice gratitude and you will start feeling the power of gratitude changing you in your life. So, how it impacts in your life? Gratitude helps you to be more attentive towards all good things happening in your life. Gratitude also helps you to attract good people, good thought, and good power in your life. It helps improve your self esteem. It helps reduce stress and increase mental strength. It enhances your feeling of being empathetic towards other. It also helps increasing physical and psychological health. And then gratitude also helps you to amplify your positive mindset. This also encourages you to be more good towards other, to add or help other people in your life. So I practice gratitude since more than a month now. So to express gratitude, I basically follow 4 steps. Like, first is appreciate. Appreciate all small or big things which have positive impact in your life, all the blessings we receive in our life. Then accept. You are accepting the powerful good things in your life. So you once you accept and observe all the good things, you will automatically start feeling grateful about it. Acknowledge. Acknowledge that you receive the blessings, the love of the people, the objects which are serving you. You are actually feeling that their value in your life. So that is the acknowledgement. And fourth is ability. Your ability to actually recognize all these good things happening in your life will help you to accept, appreciate, and acknowledge this power of gratitude in your life. So, practice this simple yet powerful method daily so that you actually can feel the goodness in your life and the change in your life. Thank you.